Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're opening the form now. Sign in, select your form, and click Responses. This first actionable step shows aggregated charts and counts immediately, so you can spot trends. Once done, scan top-line summaries for obvious issues like missing answers or skewed choices. Make sure to use the question selector to jump between panels. This saves time versus scrolling. You'll move fast from summary to details in the next step, where you'll export and filter raw entries. You now link responses to a Google Sheet by clicking the green Sheets icon. This exports every row as submissions arrive. Once in Sheets, apply filters and sort a right arrow Z to prioritize recent or key answers. Use conditional formatting to highlight unanswered required fields or outliers, and add a timestamp filter to isolate ranges. Make sure to create a copy before major edits. That preserves raw data. In the next slide, you'll finalize, share results, and troubleshoot comments. You're finishing. Adjust share settings on Sheets or download CSV/PDF to distribute results to stakeholders. Validate by sampling several rows against the live form to confirm mapping and timestamp integrity, and correct header mismatches if any appear. If responses stop updating, make sure the sheet remains linked and you haven't exceeded account quotas. Relink the form to a new sheet if necessary. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and reopen both form and sheet before relinking to resolve sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.